Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 60 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting Photos app and choosing Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, when you're ready, just hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to pick multiple right away, click on Select All at the top right corner. If you wish to exclude some of your pictures, just click on them. And to delete the rest, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!